Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's the Jen and
Elizabeth show.
We're gonna do a quick little haul here. Well, it's not little, it's a very big one, but
it's gonna be quick.
We're gonna do it quick because
I have school tomorrow.
yeah, she has to go to bed. Oh. We had a long day today.
Glitties.
Yeah, oh yeah, we got glitter.
I think there's a bunch of them the same.
It's kind of like pink to like purple iridescent-y. And wait. I don't think you're gonna be able to tell. Let me see if I can do it like this. No, that big light's preventing it, but it's supposed to glow in the dark. Let me see if I can show you this way. Ah! We're gonna stick it in here for a second. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of these. Hold on. So we're gonna shove them in there. Shove them all in there. Okay.
Can I use the bathroom while it's curing?
It's not curing, but okay. You see that? You see that? Okay, so then there's this one goes to blue. Actually, will you shut this big light off for a second?
Yeah.
I don't think you can see it.
Give me a second.
That one you can. Okay, that one you can. That one's blue. And then, so I guess I got no, this one's like a bluey green. Well, okay, this one's the blue. There we go. Look what you made me do. Okay. Why is it? Okay, there. So we got, I think these are all three different.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark for a little bit.
I know, I'm blind. Okay, I shut you off. Okay. Whoa, look at this one. Okay. So these are the three colors I got. Isn't that sweet?
Oh, sorry.
You're fine. Okay. So then,
let me turn the light back on.
yeah, because it helps.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna move this aside. All right. So those are the glitters.
You see my thumb? See my fish? You better run.
Okay. So those are those. Okay.
Okay. So I'm giving you a nail bit.
A drill bit.
Yeah.
An e-file bit.
Same thing.
It's does it say? It does not say.
Does not say.
I think it's just a cone bit.
Okay.
And then this one is a cuticle bit of some sort.
Stuff.
Okay.
Done.
This is another like cuticle bit there. To get around the cuticle, like
I'm gonna give you
if you got anything on there. Okay, and then this is like a skinnier like debulker, and then this is a fatter one.
This one's pretty.
And then this one's like a tornado bit. I wanted to see if it's like a dupe for my Young Nails one. And then this one I want to take out because this one's cute.
Cute?
It's cute.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, it's got a rhinestone in the tip. It's a nice barrel bit.
Wait, who is this from, Shein?
Yes, this is a Shein haul, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
And I think this glitter glows in the dark, too.
You don't. Oh, okay.
And then we got some reflective glitters, which these all look silver. And in the picture, there was like a bunch of different colors. This one's like a rose gold. But in the picture, there was like orange and red, and this is not what I ordered. So I kind of want to get online and double check, and I will put a
Can I try
picture
this one?
in the description. Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
Sea turtles.
We'll put them here.
Turtle.
Oh yeah, that glows in the dark.
Let me see.
Hold on. As soon as I took it out of the thing, look at it.
Now I see it.
Yeah, as soon as I took it out of the thing, it started to blind me. So yeah, I got some glow in the dark glitters, y'all.
Sorry.
So these are nice sized. They're about the same. This is just a different color. But so yeah, you don't get much in this. So I should have gotten like 4 of them to equal out as much as that is.
Can you open this?
Wow, and I have nails, so this is gonna be difficult for me. But you had it opened, you just didn't.
Well, Mom.
You're a psychopath. It's okay.
Okay, so they're sea turtles, and they're like silver and gold, and they have like a line instead of like a shell.
Genji wants outside. Okay, get the next thing. I'll put it away.
This reminds me of what's it called? What's the thing that you love?
Moon? Stars? Sailor Moon?
Yeah. It reminds me of Sailor Moon.
And they dangle.
They look like earrings.
Oh, but they aren't. Hold on, let me see the backs. Oh, they are curved. They're curved. They're a bit curved. So my nails so slippery. So yeah,
And
they have
we're
like a
done.
little dangle. Okay.
Okay.
You need to start handing me stuff while you're putting stuff away. You're taking too long.
Cross.
Okay, I'm not going to take these out of the package. I can just show them to you like this. They're crosses. They only had 6 in a pack, so I got...
There's more.
Oh, yeah, there's... These ones are upside down in here, so I'm going to take them out.
More.
Hold on, they're the same, though.
But they're silver and stuff.
Yeah, see? Sorry about the dust in my tray. It's actually acrylic dust. It's green. So, there's those. And then I got two of these, right? Yeah, I got 2 of these, so because there's only 3 in a pack of these.
Okay,
So,
then
and then
you
I
got
got
2
2 of
silvers.
the silver. Yeah, there's only 6 in these, so I got a couple extras. I'll probably throw them in a giveaway. And then if I knew that there was only, well, they're actually, these were sold, like they had 1 left in inventory. So when I bought them, they were the last of that color. I think there was another color, but I wasn't able to get it because it sold out. And they have dangles. They're so cute. Excuse me. And we got some fall stickers.
I'm showing this one because it's like.
Okay.
Okay, so this little bubble wrap package. Dun, 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 dun,
I was gonna say, I hope it's not gonna.
dun, dun.
Oh, they're magnets. They're the little magnets you can put on your you can put them on your nail, or you can use them to cut the nails.
So
Like,
I'm these 2.
so I got them for that purpose, to be able to cut the nail. Hold on. If I can get them apart.
They're like in
They're
Baymax.
stuck together.
They're like Baymax.
Oh, I stabbed myself.
The
So, but you like put them,
and
maybe?
Baymax.
You put them like here, and then you, let's say, I want my nails this long. That way you get all your nails the same length. You just, every nail will be the same
Wow.
length.
Thank you, and I need those very much. Okay, so
They're very oh shit, I wasn't even in camera that whole time. I'm sorry, you guys, but yeah. See?
Okay, so next thing is like
some more glow in the dark glitters. Ha! They glow in the dark too. We got hearts. Let me stick them in. Hearts, stars. Wait, what else is there? They're all different ones.
What?
Yeah, there's different shapes. There's just okay. So there's hearts, and then there's just chunky glitter. And they all glow. Hold on, let's stick it all in there. And then I'm gonna shut this light off. And then, ooh.
Mommy.
It's blue. What?
It's so pretty.
And that one's kind of a green.
Okay, so I'm sharing these next ones.
Oh, I see. So they match. So this one's blue, glows blue, and these two glow green.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so next thing we got some leaves. So
Oh, over here more. Like right here. Show them like that so they can see them.
So there's yellow leaves, 2 orange leaves, 3 yellow leaves.
Go with the fall.
And so yellow, and then yellow, and then orange, and then green, and then orange, red. That's all I can show you.
Okay. Let me see.
They're really pretty. Okay. These. Mom, I'm showing these because they're glitter, and I'm so showing them. I just gotta figure out where the opening is. Okay. Okay. So there's like glitter.
Come closer and show them that way.
Okay. So there's purple, pink.
Show the camera, not yeah.
Purple, pink. Oh my god. Purple, orange.
Those
blue.
ones look like those are like pink and then green and then ooh.
Yeah.
Those are like blue and then oh my god.
Look at those ones.
Those ones like blue and then purple and then but those ones those might be my favorite.
My favorite are the white ones. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, next one.
Oh my god, look at them. Ooh, look at them ones.
Mom, calm down.
I'm sorry. Now I gotta take all these off so I can redo them. No, just kidding.
No, I'm using.
I got this too. So I got some more brushes.
You got that out?
Yeah, I snuck them. I'm gonna pop the cap. No, okay. Ooh, that's nice. But it looks.
Next.
That is really thin and nice.
Wow. Just
Ooh.
Wow.
These are like my new fave brushes.
Just wow.
Yes. Oh, look at.
Oh.
Some of these kind of look dirty though. They look a little dirty.
Mom.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, they're just striping brushes. I think all of them are just striping brushes.
Okay. So. Why am I going so fast?
Because you want to go to bed?
Yeah, I'm really tired.
You're ready to go to bed?
So can you tell them what this is? Because I have no idea what this is.
This is a spatula that you can use to make your own like colors of gel polish, or you can mix glitter in with the gel polish. And then you can scrape it up, flatten it out, scrape it up. Yeah.
So.
I'm magneting to everything. Don't fall.
I literally just did.
Okay, so these have lids on them. I don't know. I don't have any room. Okay, go ahead, show what
Okay, so sponges. I'm stuck in my chair.
over here
sorry.
more.
some sponges. She got sponges because I need sponges. I was just using plain old makeup brushes, makeup sponges for
Nail
yeah.
brain.
Yeah. So she got sponges for me.
Yay.
I need to fix my chair.
Okay, and then the next thing.
I opened this.
No, I opened this because I need to explain it. Okay.
Is it, Mommy?
So this is actually for something else, but I bought it for something else.
I'm stuck in my chair.
Okay, so this is a makeup palette holder, but I got it for it does fit for my stamping plates, for my books of stamping plates, and they fit, bro. So now I can have them in my drawer and they won't be falling over every time I grab one out. So they're this is gonna be heavy.
Okay.
But yeah, I got it. I'm sure I'm gonna accumulate more, but I got these two for now.
Next item. Where's the opening at? Where's the opening?
You don't need to open them.
Okay. So we got some nail tips. So we got the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
These
6,
are for the
7,
practice hand.
8,
I got
9.
them for. That's what I got those for, is the practice hand.
Ow!
Ow.
My hair got stuck in my chair. Why are you sticking to my elbow? Okay. So you explain what this is.
These are for soaking off nails or gel or whatever. You just put some acetone here and then you wrap your finger. You wrap your finger in them. Yeah.
We forgot something.
Oh yeah. My little butcher knives. But I swear that they had blood on them in the pictures. But maybe people just
Fake?
used some gel.
Fake blood?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
A Shein package. Says Shein, okay, right? Well, for some reason, there was a Tina sticker on it. I don't know. I didn't put that there. That came like that. So I'm wondering if Temu and Shein aren't like in the same warehouse, or I don't know. Maybe they had in the post office the Temu bag got stuck to my Shein bag. I don't know, but I don't even know what's in this bag, to be honest. It felt like clothes, which, oh, it is clothes. I just wanted to get on here and show you that my Shein bag had a Temu sticker. Oh, this is a shirt for my son. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button and comment down below. Until next time, bye.